It was early morning. The train station moved with the rhythm of rushing footsteps. Everyone was chasing time. And there, in the middle of the crowd, a 16-year-old girl held a violin case close to her heart. Her name was Lena. Today was her day. The conservatory audition she had dreamed of since she was little. Her father was gone. Her mother taught music to keep them going, and Lena carried the weight of hope on her small shoulders. But as she ran toward the platform, a sound cut through the noise. A wheelchair tipped. A boy had fallen, gasping for breath. People rushed by, eyes empty, steps unbroken. No one saw him. No one stopped, except Lena. How can they not see him? She thought. How can they just walk away? The train arrived. Doors open. Announcement echoing. Final boarding. Lena's eyes flicked between the train and the boy. If she helped him, she'd miss her chance. If she didn't, she'd never forgive herself. She took one step forward, then another. Hey, it's okay. Don't cry, she said softly. I'll help you. Just breathe with me. My inhaler? It's in my bag, the boy whispered. She knelt, searched, found it, and pressed it gently to his lips. One breath. Two. Three. The boy's breathing calmed. Behind her, the train doors closed and disappeared into the tunnel. Her heart sank. But the boy was safe. Moments later, his mother ran up, tears streaming. How did you even notice him? She asked. Lena didn't answer. She just looked down and whispered, I just wished everyone had. That night, her violin rested silent in the corner. The audition was gone, but somehow her heart felt light. Then her phone rang. Are you the girl from the station? The voice on the other end was from a news reporter. The world saw what you did. They're calling you the girl who stopped time. Thousands of people shared the video. Comments read, she reminded us what kindness looks like. A week later, an envelope arrived. Empathy in Art Scholarship, awarded to Lena Eves. Tears filled her eyes. She smiled. For the first time, the music in her heart was louder than the applause she dreamed of. A year passed. The lights dimmed. Lena stood on stage, violin in hand, orchestra behind her. In the front row sat a familiar face. The boy, healthy, smiling. She closed her eyes. One deep breath. And then she played. Each note carried that morning. The rush, the fear, the choice, and the heartbeat of empathy. The hall fell silent, then rose. Applause, cheers, light. But Lena looked only at one person, the boy who taught her the real meaning of success. True success, she whispered, begins the moment you can hear someone else's heart. Because empathy isn't about understanding others. It's about remembering your own humanity.
Thank you for watching. If this story inspired you, subscribe and share to support more meaningful tales.